Assalamualaikum and good evening to my lecturers, Sebaitul and my classmate. Today, me and my friend Muhammad Afnan, Muhammad Azam and Muhammad Farihin will talk about virtual reality. Okay, let's go. Virtual reality is a simulated experience that can be similar to or completely different from the real world. Application of virtual reality include entertainment and education. Other distinct types of VR-style technology include augmented reality and mixed reality, sometimes referred to as extended reality or XR. One may distinguish between two types of VR: immersive VR and text-based network VR. The immersive VR change your view when you move your head, while both VRs are appropriate for training. Cyberspace is preferred for distant learning. In some cases, these two types are even complementary to each other. This page mainly focuses on the immersive VR. Currently, standard virtual reality systems use either virtual reality headset or multi-projected environment to generate realistic image, sound and other sensations that simulate a user's physical presence in a virtual environment. A person using virtual reality equipment is able to look around the artificial world, move around in it, and interact with virtual features or items. The effect is commonly created by VR headset consisting of a head-mounted display with a small screen in the front of the eyes, but can also be created through specially designed rooms with multiple large screens. Virtual reality typically incorporate auditory and video feedback, but may also allow other types of sensory and force feedback through haptic technology.
The military in the UK and the US have both adopted the use of virtual reality in their training, as it allows them to undertake a huge range of simulation. VR is used in all branches of service: the Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines, and Coast Guard. In a world where technology is adopted from an early age and children accustomed to video games and computers, VR proves an effective method of training. VR can transport a trainer into a number of different situations, place, and environment for a range training purpose. The military use it for flight simulation, battlefield simulation, medic training, vehicle simulation, and visual boot camp, among other things. Virtual reality is completely immersive, visual, and sound-based experience, which can safely replicate dangerous training situations to prepare and train soldiers without putting them at risk until they are ready for combat.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Azan. I want to continue my presentation grouping about VR in sport. VR is revolutionizing the sports industry for players, coaches, and viewers. Virtual reality can be used by coaches and players to train more efficiently across a range of sports, as they are able to watch and experience certain situations repeatedly and can improve each time. Essentially, it's used as a training aid to help measure athletic performance and analysis technique. Some say it can also be used to improve athletes' cognitive abilities when injured, as it allows them to experience gameplay scenarios virtually. 3. We are in mental health. As mentioned briefly before, VR technology has become a primary method for treating post-traumatic stress. Using VR exposure therapy, a person enters a reenactment of a traumatic event in an attempt to come to terms with the event and heal. VR can save organizations time and money and make work more convenient. workers workers won't have to travel in order to make decisions and complete projects. For example, architects from across the globe can use virtual reality to evaluate designs. Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The advantage of VR is VR can save organization time and money and make work more convenient. Worker won't have to travel in order to make decision and complete a project. For example, architect from across the globe can use virtual reality to evaluate design. Next is the disadvantage of VR. While virtual reality can be a great asset for most of the existence file of activity, it can also be a huge disadvantage. The traditional education is based on personal human communication and interpersonal connection. Virtual reality is quite different. It is you and the software and nothing else. This can damage the relationship between students and the overall human communication. That is the conclusion of VR is this technology are helping people to be more available at working their daily life. In this area, or we can say the world of modern technology, moving forward close to the incredible innovation. There lot of things that scientists going to invent that we don't know would be made. In conclusion, technology more helping people and make a day go through easily. Thank you.
That's all for our presentation. Thank you for lend us your ear for our presentation. I hope you enjoy it. That's all. Assalamualaikum.